Friends, in this SEO course video, today we are going to learn what exactly is off-page SEO, or it's also known by another name as backlink. So friends, any activity we do outside our website, for now if you are doing anything on your website, that's on-page SEO, which you've already learned, right? Now we're talking off-page SEO. So when engaging with third-party websites, or if we do any activity outside, that falls under off-page SEO. Okay? And what's the main activity we do here? We primarily create the backlinks. So in off-page SEO, whether you call it direct or indirect, it's all about creating backlinks. So what are backlinks? So let me tell you here, the backlinks are basically when we exchange the links from another website, okay? They give us their backlink and we give them ours, and this then creates a connection that is a network between the two. So in the same way, when we get links from websites with much better or higher authority than our own website, so when we get a link from them or our link is exchanged, then a backlink is created which increases our website ranking, and it really helps boost our rank in the search engines. Now basically, then how do we actually figure this out? That whether the website I am creating a backlink with actually has better authority than my own website. So how do we come to know that? Well, no one just tells you that. So there are websites, for example, there's a very famous website, okay, Moz. Friends, Moz has been used for many years now, and people even install its useful extension in Chrome. So once you install that extension in the Chrome, and when you open a website, it shows its DA and PA, okay. It also shows spam score. So DA stands for domain authority, and PA is what we call as page authority. So domain authority is for the entire domain, and since a website has page, each page has its own authority, so DA and PA tells you this. So we should try to build the backlinks with websites that have a better DA and PA than what we have with us. And it is better if those websites are related to our business, our niche, or our website's category. The more related they are, the more relevant they are considered to be, and those ones will get a higher priority. I'll explain the DA and PA in much more detail in an upcoming video soon. I'll practically show you creating backlinks in upcoming videos in this course. The main purpose of today's video is explaining the off-page SEO and what backlinks are, which I hope you've understood now. Let me reiterate this for you. Off-page SEO refers to any kind of activity that is done outside our own website. It mainly involves creating backlinks on other websites, which then helps to build our network and online network. So this is backlink or an off-page SEO. Let me give an example. It's sort of like, you can say an analogy from real life. Imagine there are two businessmen, let's say Ram and Shyam, and both of them have just started their own new businesses now. Now let's say Ram is doing his business, he's making a good product, everything's going quite well. But you see his network that is there, the one that he's slowly growing now, is happening with people at his own level or maybe even slightly below, with the ones having the authority. Now another person whose network is with those people who are like, if his income is 50,000 rupees a month, they also earn 50,000 monthly or perhaps 40,000 a month or 1 lakh rupees monthly, and there's a chain of 100 people knowing each other. Now what about the other person, Shyam? He's also doing good business, but then what is his network like with influential people? Okay, with the owners of major companies who are having their income and net worth in crores or even more. So then his network, or you can say his network's value and his goodwill, will that be greater, or Ram's network value be greater? You can probably understand this, right? So one person's network includes politicians, bureaucrats, people like Ambani. Okay, will his network be more powerful, or someone knowing regular people like himself, whose network is more valuable? So it's the same in website world. If your website has backlinks from major high authority websites, really important ones, okay, if you get them free or if it is paid, or even get them via barter. But if your backlinks are from high authority websites, then even one good backlink is having a worth of more than 10 low authority backlinks. So in the same way, Google also checks how strong and relevant are the backlinks of a website. This is a key factor they check. Thank you.